it is. Wow, look at that. Hey, welcome to the Biker in a Hat channel. I'm holding here a photograph from 1953. It's a picture of the SS United States. Today, this ship sits in South Philadelphia, and the man who took that picture in Germany is sitting next to me right now, a corporal for the United States Army, my father. Dad, can you tell us a little bit about that day in Germany when you were on your way home and the ship was pulling into port?
Yes, when we boarded the troop ship, of course, we all saw the USS United States docked right across from us. We were excited to see it because it's a new ship and we had heard all about it, how it had broken the record crossing the Atlantic. And I guess it was the following day we left port and the United States was still at dock. We got here to New York Harbor 8 days later, and the United States has already been docked at New York.
And it was a military secret, the propellers that ship had at the time, because it was revolutionary and still holds the speed record in its class today, doesn't it?
That's right, yeah.
So we're going to take a trip down to Philadelphia and give you a closer look, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're down here in Philadelphia. This time I'm with my son John, and behind us is the SS United States. Kind of sad seeing it with the rust, the faded paint. There's an organization trying to restore it and put it back into service, but it's gone through several owners now who have tried to find a way to give it a purpose, and I'm not sure how it's going to work out. So we thought we'd come down here and get some footage in case it disappears someday. So John, let's get the drone up in the air and let's have a look. If you like the content of this channel, please help me out by subscribing, and thanks so much for watching. Ba-da-da, 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 ba-da-da.